Right. So I welcome you to this lesson. And in this lesson, we are looking at how to create Google Ads. We are going to run Google Ads in this particular lesson. Remember, this is brought to you by Work My Joy IT Services. It is very, very easy to run ads on Google. Very, very, very simple. Okay. So please launch your browser, any browser at all you have, just launch it. Now, in the address bar, you type google.com. Okay, we are using Google search engine. So enter google.com. Now, when it opens, you see this. Let me switch to mobile view. Okay, you see this dots here. Okay, the Google search engine will give you this particular button. So tap on it. It will give you all Google services. So you scroll to locate Google Ads. That's what we have here, Google Ads. Please select it. Now when it opens, you come to start now. Now it is telling us to set up two-step verification. So to secure your account, you need to go through this two-step verification, and it is very simple to do. Just tap on it to set up this verification. Now, this two-step verification requires us to enter our email password or Gmail password, and it is very simple. And so you just enter your email password here and come to next. Tap on continue and send the code to your text message. So send code or send. Now a code will be sent to, that is it. So let's copy and paste it here. So you copy and paste, then come to next. Okay, so let's turn on the two-step verification. So tap on turn on. Okay, it is activated now. Now let's go back to Google Ads. Then start now. You just come to no thanks to continue to use the site. Good. So this is the interface. This is what you see. But to get the full view of the site, tap here. Tap on these three dots and activate desktop sites. Activate desktop site. Okay, so that we can get the full view, or we can get all the features. Good. So we have the desktop view, but let me zoom for you to see the features. Okay, so from here you create your campaign or you create your ad. Now to get started, you tap on this button, this plus button, that's create. Please tap on it and select campaign. We are creating a campaign, and so select that option. So we have this. Choose your objective. What do you want to achieve with this adverts? Do you want to make sales, or you want to generate leads, or you need website traffic? And so you can go through all these objectives and select the appropriate one. But the most common ones are the sales, leads, and website traffic. Okay, these are commonly used, but you can go for any of these objectives depending on what you want to achieve. Okay, so in this tutorial, let's go for the leads. Okay, let's go for leads to run our ads. But then you can also go for any of these. As I said, you can pick any of these and then you create your adverts. Now let's tap on leads. After selecting leads, you scroll down. For more options, you scroll down. Then we have select a campaign type. The first one is campaign objective. Now this is campaign type. What options do we have here? We have performance max, we have search, We have display here. You can read the information there to know more about each of these campaign types. We have shopping and video and stuff. So let's go for display so that our ads will be displaying on different websites and apps. Okay. So let's pick display for this particular tutorials, but you can try any of the types over there. Then you scroll down, you put your web page here. Okay, your business website. Okay, this is the web page people will go to after clicking your ads. So when people click on your adverts on Google, where would they be directed to? So you put the website where they'll be directed to over here. Okay, so let's put a website address there. Now, when my customers open the link or my advert, I want them to be directed to this website. Okay, my seller store. So I've put the link there. Okay, so that's what you must do. Then you scroll down. Now you choose your leads conversion goals. So you are going to get form that your client, okay, or the viewers will fill for you to get information about them. And so we have form submissions from your website. You can read to know more about that. So you just select the information you want to acquire from them. Do you want them to sign up for a particular product or service, or to sign up for a site or what? So these options are there. You go through and then pick the more appropriate ones. You can tap on see more to get the other options. Okay, we have a lot of them. So go through and pick the most appropriate one. Let's pick the first one. Okay, so you'll get setup instructions and an email when you submit campaign for review. Okay, so if this is what you want, you just go ahead, you proceed, or you can pick any of these and then you move on. Okay, then you name your campaign. Name your campaign. So you can delete this and put your campaign name there. Okay, any name is okay. So Joak. Then you leave this one and then accept the terms and conditions. Accept the terms and conditions. So tap on agree and continue. Agree and continue. Okay, let's close this. Now let's proceed. Let's proceed. Now you come to campaign settings, location. Okay, let's generate the list from Ghana. You can pick all countries and territories, but let's target Ghana. Okay, let's target Ghana for this ad. You scroll down, then select languages, but let's maintain English language. Okay, we are getting the leads from Ghana, so let's maintain the English here. You can go to more settings, or you go to more settings to see what you have there. Add rotation. Okay, so let's leave that. Add schedule all day. So we want the ad to be running all day. Devices. Let's show the ads on all devices. You can tap on it to select the devices you want the ads to show on. Okay, you can set specific targeting for devices, but let's maintain a show on all devices. Let's go back to more settings and see what we have there. And start and end date. Okay, so starting from the dates you are creating the ads. Okay, then the end date is not set. Okay, you can leave that. You can leave that. But if you want to set an end date, maybe you want to run this for a month or two, or then you leave it. You leave it. If only you have the budget to meet that, you can leave it, or you can set a time frame for the adverts. And conversion. Okay, so let's leave these things and then continue. So next, Now you set your budget. Mm, Set your average daily budget for this campaign. So in Ghana cedis, as the currency is showing there. So you put your daily budget there, and let's say 30 or 20 Ghana cedis. Okay, as our budgets, everyday budgets to run the ads. Bidding, let's leave this one to conversion, or let's maintain the conversions. Let's maintain conversions. Then automatically maximize conversions. Let's maintain that one. Let's maintain that. Okay, let's leave this and then you move on. Let's go to next. Next. And let's see what we have next. Okay, targeting. Optimize. Okay, targeting. Optimized targeting is set up for you. Now let's go to add targeting. Tap on it. Okay, audience segments. Okay, suggest who should see your ads. Who should see your ads? Let's see what we have there. Okay, so you can pick from these categories. You can pick from these categories, but you can also pick all. You can select all the 19 categories we have here. But if you want to meet some specific group of people, you go through and select maybe business technology. Okay, so you can go through and then select those will be more appropriate for the ad you are running. But let's pick all and let's move on. Okay, so that's it for the targeting. Let's go to done and move on. So next. Okay, so here you enter your final URL. That's Uniform Resource Locator. Okay, where your audience will be landing. Okay, so for this particular ads, the customers, when they click on the ads on Google, they will land here on this website. Okay, so you just put it there automatically to be there because that's what we used initially. So it will be here for us. Now enter your business name. Now let's go down. You add images. So here you can select up to 50 images, up to 15 images. You can't go beyond 15. Should be within 15. So come to images, tap on it, upload. Then come to upload from computer. So you select all the images you want to use. You can select up to 15. Then come to done. Tap on done. And let's wait for the images to upload. Okay, so we have the 15 pictures uploaded. We have the 15 pictures uploaded. Now let's close it from here. Let's close it from here and continue. So come to save. Tap on save. Now what next? You come to logo. And for logo, you can add up to 5. So tap on logo. So go to upload. Then we are uploading from computer. So upload from computer. Then done. So let's wait. Let's wait for them to upload. Okay, so you come to the save button from the bottom here. The save button is over here. So save the logos. Come to videos and you can also upload. So let's tap on it and let's go to search YouTube. Okay, so when you come to search YouTube, you can type the YouTube channel name here. Okay, you can type the channel name here. So let me enter my channel name, Jawak My Joy, and let's see if it will pop up. Okay, so I have videos from Jawak My Joy IT Services YouTube channel. So let me select this one. Okay, so I have selected it. I can add more videos. Okay, so I have added these two videos. Now let's go down and save. Let's go down and save. Save, where are you? Okay, so let's tap on save. Now this one. So our pictures and our videos are ready for the ads. Let's scroll down. Now I come to headline. So store home. You can maintain it or you can put anything there. Note that whatever you do here appears here at the preview side. Okay, whatever you do appears here. So you can see the store home. And so if you change that store home, it will reflect here. If you want to maintain it, fine. So let's leave it like that and then go and add the headline. So headline, let's pick a headline. Okay, the headline will appear on your ad. So you have to get a catchy headlines. You can add one or you can add two or more. You can add two or more. You can add up to five. So you can go to the second line and put another headline there. Okay, so I have added three headlines here. Then come to long headline. That one can take up to 90 characters. And you can add up to five descriptions. Okay, so let's fill that and move on. Okay, so let's fill this description too. Let's fill it. Okay, we have another one here. Let's add the last one. Okay, so let's go to create ad and continue. Okay, so after creating ad, you come to next. The next thing is to go to next. So just go to next. Okay, so this is what you are getting. Confirm it's you. All right, so let's come to confirm. Now tap on continue. Okay, so let's wait as the system is checking for errors. Okay, so after checking for errors and everything is okay, then you come to publish campaign. So let's see. Okay, so it is published now, but it has to go through some review before it's finally published on Google. Okay, so when you check the status here, it is enabled. It is enabled. And when you come here, create campaign completed, policy review in progress. Okay, so when you check here, the status is pending. Okay, it's under review. So that's the status. All right. So I will quickly set the billing and payment information to complete the whole ads. Okay, now let's follow this new campaign to set up our billing information. So what do you have here? What's your business name? So you put it there. It is optional though. It's optional, but you can put something there. Okay. Where should people go after clicking your ad? So your website. So you have to put your website there. It is optional. You see, then you come down here, create an ad or create an account without a campaign. Tap on that. Then come to confirm your account settings. So billing country, Ghana. Then time zone. Okay, so Ghana time, you select it. Then currency. Please, the currency should be US dollars. The currency should be US dollars. So the information here is okay. Now you go to continue. Yeah, this is where we are setting up the billing information. So here you set up your individual payment profile. So you make sure the name you are providing here matches the name you have on your card, the bank card you are using. Okay, if you're using a virtual card, you make sure the name you're providing here matches with it. If you're using a bank card, please provide the same name. Okay, so you put the name there. Then the payment method. So we are going to add payment method. Tap on that. Then you come to add credit or debit card. Add credit or debit card. And you enter the card number. Enter the card number. Then you add the expiry date. The expiry date, you'll find it on the card. You'll find it on the card. Okay, so the security code, you turn to the back of your card. You see three digit code over there. You enter it here as your security code. Then the card holder's name, you put the name there. So that is it. When you are done providing all this information, you come to save card. Save card. Okay. So now let's save the card. Let's save the card. Good. So the card has been added to our billing method over here, or the payments method. And so you proceed. What do you have here? Want personalized campaign. If you want this, you just toggle it. If you don't need it, then go to no. Okay, get tips. You want to get tips or promos. If you need it, then you toggle it. If you don't need it, to then no. Okay, so you just choose and then you come to submit. Finally, come to submit. So that is it. And once it is submitted, then you are good to go. You can run any ads and you are okay with it. So that is it. Thank you.